Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have important news about the special court hearing of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. This hearing has attracted attention across South Sudan and the world, and we will take you through every detail in a simple way so you can understand exactly what is happening. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel, and do not forget also to turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let us start with our first top story. Dr. Riek Machar, former Vice President of South Sudan, has been facing a special court hearing in Juba. The case has been under discussion for some time, and today the court session brought some important development. Originally, the case was called the Republic of South Sudan vs. Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others. But today, the prosecutor requested a change in the case title. This is unusual and caused a lot of discussion inside the courtroom. The prosecutors asked the judge to change the main accused from Dr. Machar to Honorable Potkang and 7 others. After careful consideration, the judges accepted this request and approved it. This means that officially the case is now called the Republic of South Sudan vs. Potkang Chul and 7 others. The court explained that any document filed under the old title would no longer be valid because the official case title has changed. During the hearing, several issues came up about missing item and document from Dr. Machar residence. The defense lawyer, led by Dr. Lege, requested the court to reveal certain items. These include a digital medical watch that belonged to Dr. Machar, some confidential documents, and other important items that were taken from the first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar on the day he was arrested by government officials. Dr. Lege, the leading Dr. Machar lawyer, explained that other items were also missing, including Thuraya satellite phone, books, and other paper. The prosecutor and investigators say they did not know where these items were or who took them. Well, the court ordered that all missing items must be unveiled by Monday. A police investigator from WOW was also questioned in the court. However, he failed to answer many of the defense questions and could not provide clear information about the missing item. According to the information, this created tension inside the courtroom as the defense argued that proper investigation and evidence were necessary to proceed with the trial. Well, the defense also raised an important point about where the trial should take place. Lawyer Deng John Deng argued that the trial should be held in Upper Nile State because that is where the alleged offense occurred. Additionally, the defense spoke about the property of co-defendant Mampal Dor, a businessman. They claimed that Mampal Dor property, was also taken by national security officer at Juba International Airport. The item allegedly included a gold chain and gold pieces, a bag, and $1,000 in cash. The court listened to this claim carefully and official responded to the allegation. The prosecutor responded. Major General Wani, representing the prosecutor, said he was not aware of the 10 vehicle or most other items seized from Dr. Riek Machar. He also say he did not know about the two Ture satellite phones or the digital medical watch. However, Wani confirmed that documents were taken from Dr. Riek Machar residence, but he did not know if the documents were seized in Dr. Riek Machar present. Regarding co-defendant Mampal Door property, Wani admitted that security agents are taken items including 2 watches, an HP laptop, 2 rings, passport, and a bag, iPhone 16, Samsung Pro 16, and Nokia phone, $1,158 in cash, and 23,000 South Sudanese pound and a necklace. But he did not know where these items are currently. This raised concern about transparency and accountability in the handling of seized property. The court room was tense today. The defense was frustrated because many questions remain unanswered and some important items are still missing. The court had to remind the prosecutors and investigators to make sure all missing items are found and presented by Monday, which will be October 27, 2025. The defense also argued that holding the trial in Juba might not be fair, as the alleged crime took place in Upper State. This argument could affect the trial if the judges decide to move the venue. Inside the court, observers note that the atmosphere was serious, with both sides making strong points about evidence, missing property, and procedural fairness. The court has adjourned the case until Monday, giving time for the investigator to locate missing items and for lawyers to prepare. By Monday, the court expects 1. All missing items, including Dr. Riek Machar digital watch, satellite phones, and documents to be presented. Second, a clear answer from investigators and prosecutor about the seized property. Third, decision on the trial venue if defense insists on moving it to Upper State. This next session will be very important for Dr. Machar, the co-defendant, and the legal process in South Sudan. Observer and citizen will be closely watching what happens next. This concludes today's full update on the special court hearing of Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president. As we have seen, there were many twists, including the case title change, missing property, and procedural challenges. We'll continue to follow this story closely and bring you all the updates as soon as they happen. Thank you for watching Changfied News. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video and stay informed. Joe ban linguas ban raketin content lat Carodian. Bana jetuka leranyam kajan kui Dr. Machar malin kona me general update ka badan en chaluk chaje lukaje en walle rey wacha ka South Sudan. Kan kon nyam please go no jin bu subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jeteno. Komite mishala lari gwas ba chumal chupka ji gwas dan en pailarich. En jawon bana ling gwas me kui Dr. Machar. Dr. Machar, former vice president of South Sudan, jen en wale ja chanang re lok ke special code hearing re wiki Juba en look me look medid metenare de ke ken konin dialatine en wale cha jojo no cha look mo cha nyok mo to ko je ke chine tingwan shika writing en look chachol no wala no chale the Republic of South Sudan versus Dr. Machar chale South Sudan ken Riek Machar look tone but and 7 others but then wale chaje lardo prosecutor team no ti dial cha ke ger no cha jojo gwan wone ne cha case mo chaje lo chaje cholo ne chaje chol en go baje cholo no South Sudan like cha riet karara dien mi la potkan ka joran chalat gwasme prosecutor chikala wone ne and wo brana chager ke je chager ke Dr. Machar ka ba chole lu dung honorable potkang kene 7 others alo chele ngora la dung Dr. Machar teme chaje la kam potkang ka jo dana chalat chaje tich ne kontilat ka luk jaga jogono gone no baje ger en shoot court ke ni wone South Sudan ke Riek Machar teme ba chole no South Sudan kene potkang kene dang barotin ko kene lo potkang chala ni amoni ba cholo no South Sudan ba chor the Republic of South Sudan best potkang shul and 7 others again show the manan ba chole wa any bong mich any ki de ko larno any document mich agor no ne Dr. Riek Machar vs South Sudan and 7 others chala no charge gorki the Republic of South Sudan vs Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others wa charge gor no mo ba dil cholo no ne the Republic of South Sudan best potkang shul and 7 others again do badan ba chol kaje any document mich agor ka gwade chang ka tayen chikon linga je wacha gor no ba jel la rate dial to waktine ka jan jo men bana kwen gwasmeni ka jo ma chalat chala do wone ne te ka tum wande chalat no chala no te ke item ni ke kwakti chala no nyin Dr. Machar te chala no cha ka bat kumi kirmi yadit kan document to ke nyin Riek Machar ya kan gwade dan wa dor waje dektin defense lawyer Dr. Lege che request che la che ramadan la judge ki la look che la do ne gone no kan item ni diala ti ke kwak diala te cha bat ki te cha nang dor Dr. Machar ba ka di lo jok kan kwak rin cha nang wa ke digital medical watch dung Dr. Machar kan a document confidential document ning Dr. Machar kan item ni to ko ken ti la ning Dr. Machar kan nanga ka dore ka jo dana chalat gwas meni gwade dana yan ke jetin Dr. Lege ramdan la defense lawyer ka Dr. Machar chela do ne kan item ni ti chigabat anyok te ka item to ko ken ti bay to ti bay bone chala no chu tray satellite phone che bat cha nanga ken ke bongne ken wargane ko ken te kan jekti cha nanga ne te konte cha do Dr. Machar cha jedak she prosecuted team she ga right investigator she ga la do ne ken ne mission me ken kon ngaji no te ka kwakti cha nanga ken quick ken dundo chicken la do ne ba kwak to ba ka gor ci jaj ke ci jogono gone no kan kwak dialati ba ka dil no ke Monday changa jandangaro wi baro ka pai well ronkin dalo jandangaro wi di ajene ke Monday kan all the missing item ba ka di report ka ba ka no re kuma ka jodan shalat mission me mishalat no ala police investigator men jere which ka wow che na tijbo ke chatich ngai kon investigator ran nosen bargazali dan chatich kata dan and she testify ka je against Dr. Machar wajen dobana chatich ke je wacha kantel mi she ansert ke tel mi chaloch ka dobana che right ke je chatich ke tun wana long anetin consider defense lawyer ka korum do no tel mi chalat no chinetin wan chi ka ngar long gwat logan wala anu ngu mi tel mi chalo jone ka tin konin chatich ke je some people quick can do brand dong de karai ke je cha jo je no right ni ne but do brand ro different ke je chetel ko ngai je no tin content ku kan kalat ke kai ne la defense lawyer she can medo di kan nyoko lat nyoko bane no she kala do ne na she can important point she can nyok no and go and look down and look Dr. Machar kan je kwara la lawyer Deng John Deng chala do ne charge de latre yuki Juba de jelat ka penal state ko jen gwas e dane to rectins so ko kujemo jen gwas de no mo de jelatin kamera dien me cha nyoko leno gwas me chala no te ka kwa ko kinde chanang kwa kut kemen chal ke mam pal dor an spela yo men de kel ka Dr. Machar te kwa ka de chanang bani en cheng e dan national security officer ka Juba International Airport ka jodan chalat jene chanang gold chain ala kwa deb ka kana gold pieces jene cha nang bag bani ka cha nang yuti chop ka $1,000 la yuti kit cha nang kaje anetin kontila national security shi naitin content gwa lok shi kana me shi kana ling gwa ka shi kana tin content cha kwak te cha nang shi kana jogo no gor ka jeno ke Monday ba kwak dialti ba ka dil no Major General wani no Ramadan la prosecutor representative chela do ne jene quicken wote ka kwakti cha nang anyok cha nyok la no cha torbiele dangwal ten ve koltin la nying Dr. Machar cha nang ka compound ke ka compound gwade dane waje captain cha kan nang chi Dr. Machar chicken yo mo chicken lat do no charge denied gwasme neten content right chicken lat no queen ne ano te ga cha nang ano te ga train di cha nang ke te ga telephone ya nang ka te ga digital medical watch mi cha nang ba cha ga jugo no ne biya ka dil no ka je lat kan kwak diala ti te cha kan gwase dan shi wani chala do ne ko cha jugo no ke ngum kuji jen go cha kwak ti cha ga nang ka jira mi mo mishi la no shi document shi ko ke do Dr. Machar ngum kan yen ngaji no cha torbel dangwal cha kan nang no cha kwak Dr. Machar chike medical watch cha janang ka cha kwak kokin di cha kan nang chike bongne kana wargane kokin ngum kan yen ngai ke je wiyen jengne tin kontin biya live deni tin biya ko lu nyodo no to chireng Machar che dur ke jemone so na mo jendana chalat ke but men cha lat wuri shal ke me wani men cha lat tin kwakten kontin je kan ga jik kala do ne na kwakten ngai ne ke nyin mam pal dor ti cha nang te wa kep ka airport jeni to watch ta na dangro ke HP laptop no ke de ko la no ke nyang yin dangro la touring ke passport ke bag no ke iPhone 16 mi cha kan ga je ke Samsung Pro 16 bo mela dunde ke Nokia phone ke ti ke ti chanang ke UT keys bi do kor ko jendi badak in cash US dollar ti chakan ke je ke 23,000 so Sudanese pound ti chanang ke kwat ngwa kala necklace duno kene quick kan gosin ko ne shaka nang tin dio je shelling quick kan duo bandana ya nang tin kan kwat ti cha jo mo cha jo kwen ken ka duo bandana dong de kon link je she record room and walle ki gwal dan luktin ano chineri wan chi nger ki chi ka gai ka do badana na men cha kwak cha ka kan ka je ka kan ngach ka kan ngaj no gwal den cha nang tin dio je chicken gwin no dong cha ka bitti no kan all this item tin ko de cha kan dar kuma char no ba ka ti je native kontila different lawyer but je jojen temno cha ka ti kan kwak dialato and then she ramadan la judges kala no ka kwak dialati ba ka dil no gwasa dan en te luktetin chaka kamande eno biken kanong atugan walle wone ka jelat biken kwakto biken ka gor ka jelat chang jandang ro barro ka paiwer ron kin dangro jandang ro dit biken ka dil nang gwalok ndana wa Dr. Machar waji lukten jo me amle rode ka jen mande in be jojo gwan wonene ba all the missing item wone ka Dr. Machar digital watch satellite phone kana document ka kan dial ba ka dil nyoka kodrom rode che jojen gwanu ne ramadan la investigator ki prosecutory kwak dial te konte je kan kanang ka compound Dr. Machar wona ka kwagut ka machal ka me mam pa dor kan dial ba ka dil nang gwadam everything that they sees will be presented on Monday anyok decision ko guardian ba lu ba jo lu tenone me a panal ki ba je tu ka Juba ba je nong ba ke jelat so dialati ka bidro ka tibro de lat ke jen Monday ndanan ba lugo mo baji gor ke je so en Monday look de ke je lat lugo dana ba look bala very important along ka kwi Dr. Machar ke netin kone cha yen kel so jo me der go an wo de yen ling an walle chana jangaje no Riek Machar cha je lugo dana sha ling an wo jen iche dwer che lat barai now che jo no netin content go ke je chaka teach ba tele ka we michukana lat ke je gwanu e going ka Riek Machar ke je and this conclude today full update on the special court hearing ka kwi Dr. Machar so jo me gor jeno de nywa ye kel ene bana je kale radian mi jira ma jidid gor no jin be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel komite mi ci bare be chwa mala shube ke ji gor je bono yen bi arwanin konti lat ke kwi Dr. Machar biya ka gor kore dialati jeno South Sudan bo malka ki bo je ka kan dangro right now ci dodone mo gorano derate ka ngek ke derate ka liankatin kontilat ka rodien shitkemen changa jeno medan me ka ko jere duare cha kep kene body gane ke dio chalingo ne body gane 74 cha ka luin tana ngut kare ti jen chirme ngai kone dio ne dang wan ngut kare ti jen kan ne dang barotin kontin loka jekel en wale re wech ka Juba so men bana ngai gwasme ka all the information ten channeling analyst kene content we ke court case me we can own me michal political motivated ki do mi mo lat ke jeno jen siyasa ki politic but tidial wa ba rodien ba ka ngach ka changandan en chade dial cha ko ngok pin ramadan en la lukki jaj chang men dia ne to ngwana no ne en go ko lugo me siyasa ki politic donc cha tok cha bujikten ba te ke de joch te nyodo Riek Machar bella free ano tel bongre ko ngai kono no tin dial kon chalat kan dial cha ko object tan dien tele kelot no kurche to kan nasar jalal chuo jen goy ken no sharil ke chi na chi glutere koredan baden no ti Dr. Machar ti gitsin na me chala den wo shi tok so jen goy ke jen no Dr. Machar be ko de me be jewin ka banaw ka peace agreement e sha ban pinya kir mi yadit yo me de nywa yekel en biya te kamal bye bye